Are you tired of not getting the respect you deserve? No worries. We'll discuss 6 habits that might be holding you back. Discover the powerful teachings of Zen and Buddhism and learn how letting go of these habits can change your life. Get ready for a fun ride because it's story time. Ever wondered why you're not able to earn the respect you've always wanted? You'll have a clear idea by the end of this video, so stay tuned. A voyage of self-discovery and empowerment lies ahead of you. Introducing Ramu, a young man residing in a village known for his intelligence, kindness, and hard work. Ramu is naturally charismatic and charming, but he still finds himself lacking the respect he truly deserves. Why? There are 6 habits preventing him from gaining everyone's respect. The first one is the habit of procrastination. Ramu was infamous for putting off work. He thought he had plenty of time, so he missed opportunities and left things incomplete. After realizing his habit was hindering his growth, Ramu sought advice from a wise Zen master. The master advised, "Respect is earned by possessing something, due to which others have to be forced to admire you and look up to you, and leave behind habits that hold you back." Ramu identified procrastination as the first habit to break. You deny yourself the opportunity to develop and achieve greatness when you put off tasks. Embrace discipline, take care of your responsibilities, and pay attention to the here and now, the only time that really exists. Ramu saw the fundamental truth in the master's words. Overcoming procrastination would get him one step closer to earning the respect he desperately desired. The master went on, "Self-doubt is the second habit to break. Ramu, you have the ability to do remarkable things if you believe in yourself. Have faith in your path, believe in your skills, and never forget that every great achievement begins with a single step." Taking a deep breath, Ramu absorbed the master's words like a sponge, ready to grab the bull by the horns on his journey to self-discovery. He realized that self-doubt had hindered him many times, causing him to question his own abilities. But now, with the Zen master's wisdom as his guide, he felt a fresh sense of confidence and inner inspiration blooming within him. The third habit to drop is negative self-talk, advised the master. Your thoughts create your reality, which means they have the ability to change your life. Take care of the language you speak to yourself. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. He realized that he had often been his own worst critic, tearing himself down with harsh words. Now, he pledged to set off on a voyage of transformation, sowing the seeds of change and nurturing a more positive outlook. Master continued, "The fear of failure is the fourth habit to let go of. Failure is a chance to grow and learn, not something to be feared. Accept it with open arms, as it's through failures that we find our real strength and resilience." Ramu realized that he had always been afraid of failing because he was concerned about other people's judgments. Realizing that failure is simply a stepping stone on the path to success, he felt a burden lift off his shoulders. The Zen master suggests Ramu should shatter the fifth habit, the desire for approval from others. Ramu is advised to look to himself for approval rather than to others. Ramu feels like a bird out of the cage today. He spent a long time playing the comparison game and looked to other people for acceptance. He draws the line. Other people's opinions of him do not define his value. Ramu kicked the habit of looking to other people for approval once he saw he's the captain of his own ship and had to steer his own course based on his own value. The master came to the conclusion that the craving for control is the sixth and last habit to break. Life is full of twists and turns, and you must accept both highs and lows. Trust the journey, have faith in the process, and go with the flow. Ramu geared up for this thrilling adventure with unshakable determination, knowing it's no walk in the park to shake off these 6 habits, but he's all in and prepared to take on the task. He gave heartfelt thanks to the master for the pearls of wisdom that lit the way on his journey of self-awareness and personal development. Respect is not something that can be found anywhere. Respect is something that you have to earn. Letting go of these habits is a life-changing experience that will help you gain the respect you deserve. Which of these habits relate to you? If you have even one, why not kickstart the journey to break it right now?